Hi everyone, in this video I will teach you how to start a video call on WhatsApp. Don't you worry, this will be quick and easy, so let's go ahead and begin. Okay, so first we're gonna open the WhatsApp application, and once you've opened, you're just gonna head to the chat or to whomever you'd like to call. Select that conversation, and once you're there, you will be seeing a set of options on the top right part of the screen, such as video call, voice call, and the three dotted icon. And to start a video call, you're just gonna tap on the video call icon.
As you can see, it is now ringing, and that is how you start a video call on WhatsApp. And there you go.
That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.